Hello friends! Today let's draw Jigglypuff. At the beginning of this video, we will fast forward to show you how to draw Jigglypuff. It doesn't have complex lines or details. Even young children can follow us. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, let's draw a circle. You can use a bottle cap or a cup to assist you. Let's draw a C shape for its front bends. Add two large oval-shaped eyes. Let's draw her pupils. Add a big smiling mouth to its face. Now let's move on to its ears. And a little V as its left hand. Draw another V for its right hand. Repeat the same for its feet. Voila! Now we've done outlining our Jigglypuff. As easy as that. It's time to color it in. Remember to pause the video if you need more time. Remember to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out any new videos. Hooray! We've done joining our Jigglypuff. We hope you liked this video. See you next time. Bye!